Chukudi, what exactly is your work? 2 years, you have sold phone, you have sold car, you have sold shoes, and now you are selling furniture. What exactly is your work? Now, are you like Chukudi that you have been selling different kind of things? I understand. I'm sure it's because you are trying to make ends meet. Country hard. That is one of the reasons why in the next 100 days, I'm going to be showing you a better way of doing this thing. How you can find purpose, how you can stay and focus on a business and build it and become a huge name. I'm going to be teaching you how to build a successful business. And even if you decide that you want to go online and you want to diversify, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do it. And also, I'm going to be fixing that mindset of yours that has been taking you pure. Join me on this 100-day journey. It's absolutely free. Titled Mind and Money. I am going to be teaching you skills that will help you transform not just your mind but also your pocket. Click on the link below to get registered. See you there. You know say too much garri dey cause alcohol. And you know say this your garri wey you dey take na because of Satan. Now, let me show you how you can increase your income. Let me show you ways. Like, stop drinking garri every single day. There are other types of food. There's rice, there's beans, there's chicken, there's so many other things. But you cannot afford those things if you rely on only one source of income, which is your salary. In the next 100 days, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can make money both from cryptocurrency, forex, and from owning a business. And that is not just all. I'll be adding a bonus on teaching you life skills, how to get out of depression, how to handle breakup, and how to live a best life. If you are interested in turning finance around, click on the link below and join me on this transformative journey. It is absolutely free. Stop drinking garri every time. Because I said it's free doesn't mean that the link is going to remain open forever. Get on the board. I'll see you then.
All right. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to day 59. Day 59 of our 100 days, right? I mean, it's been an awesome time. We have been eating this thing back to back to back. This is the 9th week of 14 weeks, and this is the 59th day of 100 days, right? Consistency is one habit that you would always find in successful people, right? So if you have been following us all throughout the 100 days, thank you very much. Congratulations. You're showing signs of success. 100 days is the journey, right? Okay, so today in our crypto diary, we are going to be looking at tools needed for analyzing cryptocurrency. Tools for analyzing the crypto market. And already we have our guest, Mr. Toju Kaka. I've known this young man for years. I've known him for years. And he's an amazing personality. Those days when there was Steemit, I think Steemit was one of the blockchain. It was a social media like Facebook where you earn for creating content. And he was at the top. He was at the top. He was right there, man. So I still admire how much he has done in this space, right? So he's one person you need to look up to. You see, the truth is, people where they do some things, they make noise. And he's one of those few persons that, in the space is well respected. He has earned his flowers. And today we would have the privilege of, within the next 30 minutes, 25, 30 minutes, he's going to be sharing with us tools for analyzing the crypto market. As usual, I will always say, come with your pen and your jotters because it is going to be packed. It is going to be packed with information, right? So let me bring him up. Mr. Toju, welcome to Mind and Money series.
Yes, thank you very much. I don't know, can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you. We can hear you,
Yeah. Thank you very much, Mr. Silas, for this invite. And thank you for making it timely. You sent me this invite like months ago, and the very first thing I thought when you were sending me this invite, I was like, wow, is it going to be tomorrow? Is it going to be next week? But when I saw like it's months, I said, okay, I have time to prepare. And guess what? I started preparing today anyway because I completely
No, of course, that's how it works.
but we're here. Thank you very much. Like you said, my name is Tojukaka. Um, I've I've been trading crypto since 2016. Before then, I was a teacher in a secondary school. So crypto liberated me from that 9 to 5 kind of lifestyle. I started my journey by writing, earning through Steemit, and then I started trading. I've worked for crypto firms like Token Pocket, OKX, and right now I'm just low key doing my own thing,
Just chilling.
trading, yeah,
So I'm
trading and
going to get
investing.
out of the screen for you so you can take it away from there. Thank you very much,
Okay,
sir. I'm with my
okay,
pen
thank you
and paper.
very much. Yeah, so tools for analyzing the crypto markets. That's what I want to talk about today. And I'm going to talk about, let me just give you a brief rundown of what I'm going to talk about. I'm going to talk about different types of analysis in trading crypto or whatever asset class. We have fundamental analysis, technical analysis, and then the sentimental analysis or psychological analysis. And then I'm just going to talk about one or two tools that you can use to do all this. All right. So let's get right onto it. So tools for analyzing the crypto market. Now, um, cryptocurrency is pumping. The bull market is here. You know, this is the time where anything you buy is going to pump. So even a monkey that can just register in an exchange and just buy any random coin. Yeah, in a way you are guaranteed to make profit. So this is the ideal time to trade. But um even though everybody is going to make money from the market, not everybody is going to be able to keep that money, right? Despite the fact that it is quite easy to make money from the market. If you cannot make money from a bull market, you cannot make money at all, because it's very easy. All you just need to do is just register on an exchange and buy. All right, so you need to know how to analyze um cryptocurrency in order for you to make money and in order for you to keep the money that you make. All right, you need to know what to buy, you need to know when to buy, and you need to know when to sell. Very important. All right, you need to know what to buy, you need to know when to buy, and you need to know when to sell. And like I've said before, you need to be able to carefully manage your emotions and observe proper risk management so that you keep the money you make. All right, now you can do all this with the aid of tools. All right, now we're talking about analyzing the crypto market. When we talk about analysis is the act of studying or examining something in detail in order to understand it more. Like I said, you need understanding in order to make money. Now, in this cryptocurrency market, there are people who are making 10%, there are people who are making 100%, there are people who are making 1,000%, there are people who are making 10,000%. All right. The difference is their understanding of the market. All right. And the kind of networks that they are connected to, the kind of information they have, and their analysis. All right. So, like I've said before, when we talk about analysis in crypto trading and investing, they can be divided into three parts. We have the fundamental analysis, technical analysis, and then the sentimental analysis or the psychological analysis. All right. I also said that you need to know what to buy, and when to sell, and also how to keep the money that you've made. All right, because that's very important, because some people, they will buy and then they will sell and then they'll make profit and then they'll put it all back and then lose everything. All right, so very important. You need to know what to buy, when to sell, and then how to keep the money that you've made from cryptocurrency trading and investing. All right, and I've said you can do this using fundamental analysis, technical analysis, and sentimental analysis. Sentimental analysis is also known as psychological analysis. All right. So um, let's talk about fundamental analysis a little, and then I'll talk about some tools that you can use for fundamental analysis. All right. So fundamental analysis focus on the why behind the cryptocurrency's potential success. All right, you need to know what to buy, and you need to ask questions like, why should I even buy this cryptocurrency? All right, Is it because okay, of course, the reason why everybody wants to buy is because you believe that the price will go up and then you cash out and make some money. All right. But you need to know which coins are going to have a higher potential to make more profit, and then you need to know why they are going to have a higher potential to make more profit. Some people subscribe to signal groups. They are good and fine, but auto signal group becomes toxic when you don't understand the thought process of the signal analysis of the signal analyst. Sorry, you need to know why it makes some certain calls. If you know why it does that, you will be able to make those calls on your own. Does that make sense? Now, fundamental analysis involves assessing a range of factors which can cause the price of a cryptocurrency to go up. It borders on questions like, why is this cryptocurrency valuable? All right. When you are talking about fundamental analysis, you want to look at the project's white paper and roadmap. You want to look at the people uh, behind the project. You know, someone once said that he doesn't invest in projects, he invests in people. It's very important that you look at the people behind the project. If the person behind the project is a known scammer, then of course there's a very high likelihood that he wants to scam you and take your money. You know, but if the person behind the project is someone that has built credible projects before that have succeeded, then you know that okay, because of this person's reputation, this person has built reputation, this person is not going to run away with my money, right? So um you want to look at the technology and use case. You want to look at now a note on that technology and use case. The market is in such a situation now where even use case don't matter. This is the era of meme coins. Everything is pumping. Is it coins that have absolutely no use case, that are just for the sake of pumping? There's that. All right, but naturally, or the way it's supposed to be, you want to look at the technology and use case of a project, and this is what's going to make sure that the project stays for a very long time. All right. Now, you want to also look at market dynamics. You want to look at the tokenomics. You want to look at how many coins is in circulation. All right. You want to look at the funding and the financial health of a project. Who is backing the project? Does the project have investors? Is it backed by exchanges? All right. You need to know the people backing the project, and this is what is going to give you confidence that the project has a lot of funds, you know, to carry out their operations. All right. You need to look at the community engagement and sentiment. You know, the community behind the project. You know, there are projects that have been abandoned by the developers and the people behind them, but then the community says, guys, we can do this without devs, and then we have developer community, and then they start, you know, pushing updates, and then the influencer community, they start, you know, everybody start promoting the project, and the project does well again, and then the project is brought back to life. Why? Because of the community, right? So if you see a project that has active community on Twitter and Telegram, there's a greater likelihood that project is going to do well. All right. This is all part of your analysis. All right. What you are looking to, why you want to invest in a project. All right. You want to look at the partnerships and collaborations. If a project has a partnership with Google, that's a big green flag. If it has a partnership with all the big exchanges, you know, they're going to get listed. And then you want to, if you are the techie kind, you want to look at the code, you want to look at security vulnerabilities, you want to look if you want to see if the code has been audited, you know, to if you are trading the meme coin general, you want to look if the coin has been how do I say it? If the contract has been renounced by the dev, all right. So you want to look at those things, all right. You want to look at scalability issues. You want to look at regulatory um, issues, all right. If, for example, let me give you an example of regulatory issues. Now, Binance is under scrutiny by the Nigerian government. The SEC in the US is having issues with Binance, right? So if you're a very big investor now, I don't think it would be wise for you to pack all your money and put it in Binance, all right? Because there are a lot of things that could go wrong, all right? And then you want to look at compliance and security, all right? So now, how do you do all this? You use cryptocurrency tools, all right? And one of the best tools out there that you can use is Coin Market Cap, all right? Coin Market Cap. I would like to share my screen and give you guys a view of what coin market cap looks like. Okay. Okay, maybe I'll just skip that. All right. Coin market cap. Coin market cap. I define it whenever I'm training people. I define coin market cap as the Bible of cryptocurrencies, right? Or as a dictionary of cryptocurrencies. It's one place you can go and you can get almost everything you need to know about the cryptocurrency, starting with, of course, the market cap, all right? And you can search if let me try to share my screen once again. I think I'd rather just do a little presentation of this. If I don't do a presentation of anything, I should show you guys what coin market cap looks like. For those of you that don't know, but anybody that is into cryptocurrency should have gone to coin market cap. All right, so you can see um, it shows you a list of all the cryptocurrencies, all right, that are in existence, all right, and it shows you information like their price, the percentage change in 1 hour, 24 hours, 7 days, and of course the market cap, the volume, the circulating supply. This is Bitcoin. The next cryptocurrency is Ethereum, right? Not all cryptocurrencies are going to be on coin market cap. Um, the smaller cryptocurrencies, the ones that are just coming up, all right, need to apply to get listed here. The requirement is not much, right? But if you are someone like me that likes trading low cap coins, we call them low cap gems, all right, you may not find those coins on coin market cap. You go to other sites like CoinGecko, right? Sometimes you may even go down and to the native explorer, all right, of the coin to be able to get information, all right. But generally, this is the Bible or the dictionary or the encyclopedia of cryptocurrency. So you can see the cryptocurrencies are listed based on their market cap. Bitcoin has the highest market cap right now, so it's number one with a market cap of about 1.3 trillion. So Ethereum with 430 billion market cap. All right, this is telling you that there's 430 over 430 billion dollars worth of value in the Ethereum ecosystem. All right. So and then if you click on Bitcoin, for example, you can check the charts, you can check the markets, it will show you the exchanges that list Bitcoin. You can get news, all right. You can just read about it, you can get some analytics, all right. There's so many things you can get from coin market cap, all right. Is the one-stop shop for everything you need to know about cryptocurrencies, right? Not everything, but most things, all right. So let me stop sharing my screen now. Okay, so now we're talking about tools that you can use for fundamental analysis. On CoinMarketCap, you can get so many information from about the cryptocurrency you're making research on. You can get you can find out about the team, project white paper, the tokenomics, the communities, the markets where it's listed, and so much more. All right. Like I said, CoinMarketCap is a very popular website, but it is not the only one. If there are some cryptocurrencies that are not yet listed on CoinMarketCap, if you go to sites like CoinGecko, you'll find them. All right, or CoinMetrics. All right. So CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko, they are known as market data aggregators. All right. What they do is they just aggregate data from multiple exchanges and provide a comprehensive market insights, so that you have a holistic view of the cryptocurrency. Things like price data, trading volume, liquidity, historical data, you find them on CoinMarketCap. All right. Now we're talking about how to do fundamental analysis, or the tool you can use for fundamental analysis. And we said CoinMarketCap, we said CoinGecko. Another very important tool you need are crypto news websites and aggregators. All right. Because fundamental analysis is all about news. All right. If you've been in crypto for a while, there was a time when Elon Musk made a tweet and then he talked about Doge, and the next thing we know, Dogecoin started pumping, right? If you want to stay updated on cryptocurrency news, you need to pay attention to Twitter, all right? Follow cryptocurrency influencers. I have a latest update on cryptocurrency. All right. So news outlets, cryptocurrency influencers, key opinion leaders, follow them. You get the latest gist. All right. So for example, if there's a particular coin now that maybe the coin was hacked and maybe there's aggregators. All right. So I've also said Twitter communities and trends. While you're making your research, you can also get into their Telegram groups, all right, to see the way the community is engaging. You can check the blockchain explorer. Very important. Now, this is a very, very important tool. For the blockchain explorer for Bitcoin is blockchain.com. For Ethereum, we have Etherscan. For the BSC or the Binance Smart Chain, we have the BSC scan. For the Cardano ecosystem, we have TapTools. For Solana ecosystem, we have SoScan, and then we have site like Dex Screener. All right. Now, these blockchain explorers are very, very important. All right. You need to know how to use the blockchain explorer. You need to know how to navigate, how to check for the top holders, how to. There are so many things you can get on the blockchain explorer. Now, I'm going to tell you a story of how knowing how to use the blockchain explorer saved me from losing a lot of money. So I invested in this project and I was supposed to be in the whitelist community or in the it's more like a pre-sale. All right. So and then when the contract address was shared for the project, and I looked at I bought immediately the contract address was shared because I wanted to buy early so that I'll make a lot of money. But then somebody just told me to just check the blockchain explorer, and then I checked the blockchain explorer, and then the project was supposed to be a small project from my own research, and then I saw that the project was already at $1 million market cap, and I knew that the guys pushing this project, they don't really have that kind of financial backing, and I just knew that something was wrong, and I sold. And the last time I checked, that project is what is the market cap of that project is around like $24K. Just imagine if I didn't know how to use the blockchain explorer. All right. I would have just blindly bought into the project thinking I'm buying at a very early stage, not knowing that I'm buying the top. All right. So you need to know how to use these tools so that you can do your own analysis. All right. Cryptocurrency system is supposed to be a trustless system. You're not supposed to trust anything or anyone. The facts and all the data is on the blockchain. You need to know how to use the blockchain explorer to do your analysis for yourself. All right. So I've talked about fundamental analysis and I've talked about some tools that you can use for fundamental analysis. Let's go to the next one, technical analysis. All right. Now, remember when we started talking, I said you need to know what to buy. Fundamental analysis can tell you what to buy. You need to know why you want to buy. Fundamental analysis can do that. But to know when to buy, you need technical analysis. All right. Remember this story I told you now. I bought a cryptocurrency which I thought I was buying at the very earliest stage, and then I looked at the blockchain explorer, and then I saw that this thing was already worth $1 million market cap for a project which I know is very supposed to be a very small project, and I knew that something was wrong. Technical analysis. That's technical analysis. All right. Or that's fundamental analysis. Depends on where you want to put it. All right. Because I was looking at the chart. Now, technical analysis will show you when to buy. All right. Fundamental analysis will also do that, but technical analysis will do that using tools like charts and past historical data. All right. Now, you've heard people saying that Bitcoin just touched the 200 EMA, and according to this relative strength index or the stochastic RSI, that's technical analysis. All right, it's all about using maths, using statistics, and using past historical data to analyze cryptocurrency and project, you know, the future potential of a cryptocurrency. All right. Now, there are many tools you can use in technical analysis. They include charts. One of the most popular charts is the candlestick charts. You have indicators. You have trend indicators. You have momentum indicators. You have volatility indicators, volume indicator. All right, a trend indicator, for example, will show you the trend of the market. All right, will show you the trend of the market, and you've heard people saying things like follow the trend, trade with the trend. That's what the trend indicator is going to do for you. It's going to show you the trend of the market. Now that you've known the trend of the market, you can use another indicator like a volume indicator to see if there is enough volume. You can use a volatility indicator to track the volatility and so forth. I might come back to this, to you know go in depth and talk about some of the technical analysis tools and indicators. But let's just proceed to the next one. The next one is your sentimental analysis or your psychological analysis. Now, remember when we started this discussion, I said that you need to know what to buy, when to buy, and you need to know when to sell, and you need to know how to keep the money you've made. Right? It's very important. Most people, I've come to believe that making money from cryptocurrency is not hard. The hard part is usually keeping the money you've made. Some people, they will make money and then they'll give it back to the market. All right. And that silly action of giving back the money you've made to the market, it could be as a result of not having um, risk management, or not having a very mature sentiment with cryptocurrency, right? That's where sentimental analysis comes in. You need to know how to manage your emotions, emotions like fear, greed, hope, and regret, right? Some people are very greedy, right? I know someone that put in $1,000 in a cryptocurrency and made $3,000, and then the next day he's putting back the $3,000. Does that even make sense? And he says the cryptocurrency will keep going up, it will keep going up. And then the next thing you know, you come back and you tell you that money is gone, that the coin dumps. You know, the tool that you can use for this sentimental analysis is to really study and know how to manage yourself. All right. There's the fear and greed index, Bitcoin fear and greed index. Is a very good tool for long-term um, investors and traders. Let me show you what that looks like. If you just go to Google, just type Bitcoin fear and greed index. So what this does is it shows you people's emotions on a chart. And okay, let me not share that. Yes, and you can see when people are extremely scared or when people are extremely greedy. And if you know anything about trading and investing, you know that you want to buy when everyone else is afraid, and you want to be selling when everyone else is excited, when everyone else is greedy. All right, it's actually very simple: buy red, sell green. All right, but most times people tend to do the opposite. People don't buy when the market is um, red, when there's blood on the streets. When I mean blood on the street, like when all the coins are bleeding red and everything is dumping. No, people won't buy because they are scared. They rather buy when the market is pumping, and you hear that a coin has done 500% in a day, and you be like, wow, that's what I want. I want that kind of result. And then you put your money, and then the next thing you see, it's pump and dump, man. This market is all about pump and dump, all right? In a way, all right? The cryptocurrency market is always going in a circle, all right? And if you cannot get in um, at that point where everybody is scared, you should just wait, all right? Or wait for pullbacks, all right? So you can you can check the psychology. There's something called mass psychology. You can check the psychology. You can feel the pulse of the cryptocurrency markets, right? By using the fear and greed index. Just type Bitcoin fear and greed index on Google and it will show you. You can check Twitter. Whenever you see that your popular influencers, even influencers that are not crypto influencers, whenever you see that non-crypto influencers start pushing crypto, you should start packing up. Just know that the market is about to retrace, or market is about to correct, or market is about to change trend. All right. Whenever you see that your family and friends who don't usually trade crypto are not asking you for crypto advice, all right. So the sentimental analysis and psychological analysis is basically you training yourself to be able to understand your emotions and the emotions of the masses when it comes to trading and investing in crypto. You need that as a tool because that is going to help you to keep the money you make. All right. You want to be able to trade and make money and keep it, and not trade, make money, and then give it back to the market. All right. So you need to master your emotions. Your emotions are are tools. There are times where you need to be greedy. All right. Greed itself is a tool. All right. There are times where you need to be greedy, and there are times where you need to be fearful. When you start seeing your friends, your family, your neighbors, everybody starts talking about cryptocurrency, that this coin has done 1000%. People start resigning from their job because they've made a lot of money from cryptocurrency. Influencers that don't know anything about crypto, when is that here? Sabinus, you know, giving people crypto advice, you should know that, all right, this is time for the market to um, pull a 50% dump. All right. Twitter, your Bitcoin fear and greed index. All right. So, yeah, so that's that about um, fundamental analysis, technical analysis, and sentimental analysis tools for analyzing the cryptocurrency market. I've said that I've said a lot of things, and let me just give you guys one last tip before I um, before I round up this session. Now, I enjoy trading low cap gems because there's a lot of the risk reward is very high. All right. If you're trading Bitcoin, for example, if you're putting money in Bitcoin right now, and if you have a lot of capital, you're probably looking for maybe 100%, 50%, 20%. But if you are investing in low cap coins that have a very low market capitalization, like 200K market cap, or 5 million market cap, or 10 million market cap, those coins, if they do well, they can give you times four of your money. All right. or times 10 of your money. And that's where you see people who put in $200 into a cryptocurrency product and then they cash out $10,000. It's possible, right? But it's possible when you're trading low cap gems, all right? Because someone who puts in $200 in Bitcoin is not going to cash out $10,000, right? Because if you look at the market cap of Bitcoin, we saw it just now, it's quite much, about 1.3 trillion, and 1.3 trillion has to flow into the ecosystem for you to double your money. Think about that. That's a lot of money, right? But if you put in some money into a crypto that has a market cap of 20k dollars, it means if 20k dollars, which is a very small amount of money, flows into the crypto, you're going to double your money. All right. And if $1 million enter that kind of ecosystem, you know how much your money will be. All right. So, and one of the places where you easily find such opportunities are in the Solana ecosystem. There are a lot of meme coins, there are a lot of scam projects, and there's a lot of opportunity as well for you to get in early on some coins and make some money. And you can use tools like Phantom Wallet, your Soulscan Explorer, Dex Screener, and a lot of other tools. All right. For Cardano ecosystem, you can use tools like your Vespa wallet, Tap Tools, Dex Hunter, and so many others. All right. So thank you very much. Let's do a quick wrap of everything we've said before I round up. We've talked about tools for analyzing the cryptocurrency market. We talked about the meaning of analysis, types of analysis. We talked about fundamental analysis and things to look out for when you're doing fundamental analysis and the tools you can use. We talked about coin market cap, all right? And we said that if you can't find a coin on coin market cap, um, you may be able to find it on CoinGecko. We talked about crypto news websites, um, and Twitter influencers, key opinion leaders. We talked about the fact that if you follow these guys, you get updates on cryptocurrency, and you'll be able to make informed decisions. Talk about making inquiries through Telegram communities. We talk about the importance of knowing how to use Blockchain Explorer so that you can do some, on-chain analysis to find out some truths about the coins you are investing in. Then we said a few things about technical analysis, which is using historical data to be able to predict where a market may go. We said there are many indicators, which include trend indicators, momentum indicators, volume indicators, and volatility indicators. And then we concluded with sentimental analysis. And I said that your greed is a tool, and you should know how to manage them, right? Because they are going to be able to, if you don't know how to manage them, you may lose the money that you make from cryptocurrency trading and investing. And so that's all. I hope I've been able to make some sense. And now I'm going to call on my host, Mr. Silas, for the next phase of this.
Wow, wow. Powerful. I keep telling people, I think it was in our last crypto class, that if you want to make money in this space, you must have a strategy. You must have a strategy. And
Yeah.
I'm sure some people don't understand the tip you just gave when it comes to low cap coin. Right?
Yes. They
It's
don't know.
something
They don't know.
they don't know. They don't know. Because the truth is, in as much as I'm one person that I don't know, you see low cap and they run from her. And it's not because there's no money, there's money in it, but it has to be your strategy. And you just gave this strategy cheaply. And I keep telling people that because it's free doesn't mean it's cheap. That
Yeah.
this information was given out for free doesn't mean the information is cheap. Right? This thing he just shared with us about low cap, please Go back, watch this video. You go to that side where he talked about it. All those tools he talked about. Carry it and run with it like a madman. You see all of you that have $10, all of you in $10 gang. That is your way out.
Yes, that's the way
put
out,
in your-
man.
Of course, that's your way out to the $10 gang. Look for a low cap coin, get in with your $10. It does 10x for you. You are at $100. And there's something you said today that is very powerful. You see, I think this is the take home. Yeah, knowing how to keep the money you have made.
Yes.
I think this if you don't gain anything here, apart from the tools that you have learned, you must understand this fact. This is where a lot of people's greed come in.
Yes.
And when you say greed is actually a tool, I totally believe, because greed is supposed to tell you that it's time to get out. It's time to sell. Take your profit. When the market is greedy, you are selling. When the market is fearful, you are buying. But
You know, Silas, there's a time to be greedy. There's a time where you need to where you need to go all out. If you follow the rules of investing, you may limit yourself. And there's a time where you should be packing up, that you should allow your emotion of fear playing. You should start becoming afraid when you start seeing that everyone is talking about crypto, and even your neighbor, even your gate man is telling you, bros, please, there's one coin that they call for me. When you see the tomato seller start telling you coins to buy,
coins.
Brother, just run. You should start being afraid at that point.
A lot of people do not understand these things. Actually, what you just said is analysis, but it's sentimental. You know,
let me tell you a story.
People start hearing,
Let me tell you a story. So my wife, she made about $1,000 from an airdrop, you know. And if she had told me, I'm the kind of person that, you know, where they say people panic sell, there's a kind of profit I will see in my account, and I will panic sell, because I know that money is spiritual money. If I don't cash it out, I'm going to lose it. And she didn't tell me. And by the time she was telling me, it had already dumped to like $50. I'm like, oh, why are you telling
me? From 1,000.
From $1,000. I'm like, free money. You saw free money in your wallet, $1,000. But the emotion of greed will tell you it will keep going up. It will keep going up. If at all, just take maybe 50%.
So you know $500. Just keep.
Yeah. So in trading and investing, you need to know how to manage your emotions. If not, you will just make money and then give it back. You know. Yeah. So
wow, thank you very much. Thank you very much, Mr. Toji. That was powerful. And I mean, it's really great connecting with you. Thank you for giving out without holding back. And you know, funny enough, I was at the other end of our project that we put money in. And can I even shock you? I saw the chart, and you know, something in me was saying sell, but I never do all this on a low cap whitelist something. Let me see where it goes. And as the thing was dropping, I saw more. I mean. And before you know, I just felt, whoa, it don't go. Otilo is all gone.
You know,
but the truth of the matter
it's a risk we all took. It's a risk we all took. You know what my thinking was? When I saw the market cap at $1 million, I was like, okay, let's do the math. We are 100 people in a group. Everyone contributed $200 for the liquidity pool. So let's say, okay, back by 40K. All right. So let's say the team will first buy. Are you telling me that the team bought over $900K worth of coins? The team was not hard enough. Even if they did, like, is that not too much? You know. So that was my thinking. And then I already bought before I started thinking like, and I was like, okay, let me just sell. Let me see what happened. And thank God I sold. I eventually bought back anyway at around the 100K market cap, because I thought 100K market cap was a fair value for the project, you know. But then the community was already angry.
Yeah, angry.
You know, so everybody was just selling. So my money is still stuck there, by the way.
Yeah, of course. That's the risk. That's one of the reasons why we keep telling people analyze. And now you can imagine a project that we all OGs analyzed, and
Yes.
it was still a problem. So you can imagine you that don't know anything about crypto now running to jump in.
Yeah.
It's like rushing in where angels fear to tread, right? So thank you very much, Mr. Toju. Thank you very much. It's been an awesome time. Thank you for giving us your time, right? So we are going to bring this meeting to a close here. Thank you very much, and all our listeners, all our viewers, thank you very much. You can always reach out to Mr. Toju Kaka. He's on Facebook. You can follow him. He's on Twitter. Follow him. And I'm sure he would gladly share his wealth of experience with you. Well, thank you very much, sir. I'm going to let you go now so we can round up the meeting. Thank you, sir, for your time.
Yeah.
All right. So thank you very much, everybody. I mean, there's really nothing to add to it. He said it all. And that's one of the beauty of calling OGs to come and talk. You don't need to talk anything after they have spoken. And I mean, this is one of those times where I just sit down, carry my pen, carry my book, and just write. It's not every time I'm the one giving out value. Today, I really got some value, and thank you so much to our guest, Mr. Toju. Thank you very much. And thank you to everybody that joined us. So tomorrow, we are going to continue with the Forex Chronicles, and tomorrow is day 60. Day 60. I mean, it's huge. It's a huge one. Day 60, right? And we are going to be looking at day trading routine. Day trading routine. As a day trader, what are your routines, right? So that's what we are going to be looking at tomorrow, and I will be your humble guest, right? And on Thursday, we'll be looking at cryptocurrency staking secrets. All right, so thank you very much, everybody, for being a part of this. We are going to come your way again tomorrow. If you gained any form of value, please share the video, tell your friends about it. Now, one thing I must make you understand is that whatever information you do not put to use is as good as you not knowing it. So use this information, take it, gather it, hug it, and run with it. I am very sure I will see you at the top. Thank you very much once again, and God bless you.